What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Travis Scott unboxing. I am so hyped on this, even though the shipping on this was outrageous. This was from the collection he did with the dunks, all that skateboarding stuff. Honestly though, this is the only package I got, and in my email it said all my items have shipped. They only gave me one tracking number, so I really don't know because I'm having a hard time believing they fit everything into this box, but they could prove me wrong. Everything could be in here. Also though, like I was saying, the shipping was crazy. I believe this came out in February, I want to say, but I'm not entirely sure. It is now May, about to be June, and I am just now getting it. I'm still waiting on my items from December though. They beat that. I don't know if I'm ever gonna get that. I've emailed them multiple times asking if I was gonna get that Hot Wheels shirt. Never got it. Don't really know about that, but anyways, let's just get right into this because I just cannot wait any longer. I've been wanting this so bad. Like, I'm so hyped on this to finally see this stuff in person. So let's open this and hopefully not damage anything on the inside. All right, so we got a bunch of bubble wrap, and dang, I don't really know what's gonna be the best way to take this out. Let me actually like dump this on the floor and then I just pick everything up. Okay, so I actually can't wait. Okay, so hold on. I'm like very confused right now. Side rant, I guess. I kind of hate ordering from Travis's website because I buy so much stuff. It's so hard to keep track of everything, and they have the worst shipping in the game, even though they do say it takes like 10 to 15 weeks. Like, still, I'm kind of like frustrated right now because, like I said, I was right, not everything's in here, but they somehow knew I'm the same person. I don't know how they looked it up, like address or something in the system, but I got the Hot Wheels shirt right here. So I finally got this, size large, so they actually gave me the right size. I got that. I might open that in a minute, but I'm just leave that there for a second because I'm trying to figure this out. I got, spoiler alert, I got like a whole complete skateboard, but it's not all in here. Oh, okay, good. Here's this. So, okay, so I bought 7 items. 1, 2, 3, yeah, and only 4 items are here, but all 7 of the items are on the invoice. All right, honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to email them, even though they never responded to me about this, and that was like months ago that I emailed them. So I guess I'm gonna get the rest of my Travis Scott stuff when I get my Fortnite Travis Scott stuff in October. That's probably what it's gonna look like. First up, I guess, we got this envelope, and then inside the envelope, they actually gave stickers, which I think is pretty sick. Nothing else in there. We got this one, which I don't even know the correct way that this is supposed to say. Okay, Cactus Jack, yeah, right there. And then we got this one, which is my personal favorite. I love this one. And is this another sticker? Okay, we got another one that says no loitering right here as well. So we got 3 stickers, which is pretty sick. Man, I'm just kind of frustrated right now because like the most expensive things reselling are like the things I don't have. So like I'm worried that I'm not gonna get those. First up, we got the skateboard wax. It says skateboarding is not a crime. It is pink. You can barely see it, but trust me, it does say that. It's already coming out of the wrapping, so this has probably just made a mess all over my rug. But I still think this is pretty sick. I'm gonna be using this because I do skateboard. I'm nowhere near as good as I used to be back in the day, but I still like to skate. And then moving along, we do have the Cactus Jack grip tape. It is on a sheet of Jessup grip tape, and it says Cactus Jack right here. I think this is sick. Like, it looks so clean. Like, I love that logo on here. And yeah, this is the grip tape. And then moving on to the last 2 items, I'm sure you could guess, we got the skateboards. We have this one right here, which is like this plaid colorway that kind of goes with the dunks. That's probably why it has that, with that same logo that we did see on the sticker. On here, I do like this one a lot. This one's sick. Has a pink top ply. This is an 8.25. This one looks super clean. I do love this for sure. Like, they really outdid themselves. Like, I love these decks. I wish I would have got some more of them, to be honest, because I'm probably going to end up selling this one, but I don't know. Like, I already have so many skateboards. I don't know if I should keep it or sell it or what. It's sick for sure. I really do like it. I also kind of think it might say Cactus Jack over it, but I can't really tell. It's kind of like barely on there. And for the last item, we have the Cactus Jack bandana print skateboard. This is also an 8.25. Has like a brown top ply on this one. I think I'm holding this upside down. So I believe too, like when you're skating this and when you start wearing down the top ply, underneath it is something else, but I can't really remember. So I'm a little bummed they didn't send me both of the set of wheels that I got, and they didn't send me the truck. So that is a bummer. If I would have known I didn't get everything, I probably would have waited to do one whole unboxing, but I'm still going to upload this video with just the stuff that I got, because who knows how long I could be waiting on that. I've been waiting on this Hot Wheels shirt now for, is that like 5-6 months I've been waiting on that? I just now got it. Don't really want to wait too much longer on this, so I am going to upload this video for sure. But one last look at the, on this deck. I love this deck. This is going to be for the personal collection. This is so sick to me. I love this one so much. That bandana print with a ton of Cactus Jacks all over it. It looks so clean. Love this one. That would have been cool if this had the pink top ply. I wonder if some of them have different top plies. But that is gonna do it for my entire Travis Scott Cactus Jack unboxing. Yeah, like I said, a little bit of a letdown that I didn't get everything. Who knows when that's even gonna come, because like I said, my email I got said everything had shipped. Obviously it didn't. I've only gotten one tracking number, so I have really no way of fact checking that. So hopefully they actually email me back. But also, before I go, let me move this out of the way. I am hyped up that they sent me this. I'm gonna be keeping this for myself, so I will open this up. Hopefully this actually fits, because I've seen people say that they run a little bit small, and I didn't know that. It is in this like tie-dye colorway. This is so clean to me. It's like black, but then has tie-dye on the side. I do like that. Doesn't it say Cactus Jack on this? Oh, on this sleeve it says Cactus Jack right here. But on the back you got the car and the other tie-dye print, obviously. So yeah, this shirt is so sick. I waited a long time for it, but it does look clean. I don't know why people are saying this fits kind of small. I think it's gonna fit me perfectly, honestly. But yeah, super hyped on this. Been waiting on that forever, so it's good to see that that's finally here. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from the Travis Scott skateboarding collection. I would love to know if all your stuff came. Are you still waiting on stuff? Has none of your stuff shipped? How's it looking for you guys? Let me know in the comments down below, like I said. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.